Sånt skött i Euranlinna.
Ja. 16th May 2025 we have Sturenkatu 43 to 45 seconds being here. And out of these, the stack is only stakes A and C left. And I probably J and with G and I, because I probably got the stakes H here.
Yeah.
And I'll put first here. Was built in 1929 by Otis, or last in 1991 by Hissitekniikka. It's the beginning of 1991, because in some of them it's late 1990s.
Yeah.
Just a bit leveling.
Yeah. Niissä tippaakin vaan, pitää mennä eteenpäin pois.
So here in Vallila, Valcourt, Helsinki, and Sports, also on the other thing.
Yeah.
I like the sounds this morning.
Same.
No, that's expensive watching.
That's